Hi everyone, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I present to you a new strategy that is very popular and widely used in Forex. Strategy is the biggest and most important tool for Forex trading because you have to follow the strategy to take any entry because your strategy will tell you whether to buy or sell. So everyone wants to learn different strategy so that they can get success and make a good profit. No one knows the importance of the strategy better than those who do Forex trading. But it can be said that without any hesitation that if you follow the strategy and follow everything else, you will get the expected success. In other words, our main point is that Forex is not just about following the strategy. If you can master a strategy well, then it's possible to make a profit. But if you learn a lot of strategy but can't apply properly, then it will not be beneficial. So we request you to watch the strategy. No matter what you learn, you should practice well in the demo because there are no alternative to practice to master everything. You must practice well in the demo first and then came to real trading if you get good feedback. I say again, if you get good feedback in the demo, then come to real trading. You will be more likely to make a good profit. The strategy that I will share today is called double top pattern. This is the most popular strategy of Forex. You can earn a good amount of money from Forex and recover your loss by this strategy because this strategy is a very effective and a very simple strategy. I hope you will be able to earn a very good amount by applying it. So I will request you to watch the video patiently from beginning to end, and we have given many videos on various effective Forex strategy. So those who want to see various strategy, please follow this playlist. Here you will find awesome strategies for Forex, and I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you, and those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. The strategy I am going to share today is called double top pattern. This strategy is a very simple strategy. So if you practice a little better, you can easily master it. Moreover, many Forex traders have made a profit through this strategy, and it's a very good and effective strategy. So you will get a good feedback by following it. And I would definitely urge you to practice this strategy well in the demo first because there are no substitute for practice to acquire something. And many traders lost in Forex because most of them don't master the strategy well and rush to apply for real trading, and at the end they face loss. So today's strategy is double top pattern strategy. This pattern is that the market will go up first, then go down a bit, then go up again, then go down again with the retest. I say again, the market will go up first and then go down a bit, then go up again with retest and go down. This point is called first top and this point is called second top. That's why this strategy's name is double top pattern, and we will draw a horizontal line in this support level. This line is called neckline. So now the question may come where the entry will be from. That's why we have to follow the neckline. In other words, you will order a sell only when the market breaks the neckline by making a second top. I am saying again, you will order a sell only when the market breaks the neckline by making second top. Now the question is how to set up SL and TP. One of the rules for setting up TP in this strategy is that you can take TP or profit as far as the distance from the neckline to second top. I say again, you can take TP or take profit as far as the distance from the neckline to the second top. Then set up SL by looking at the back point, or you can set up SL and TP by following 1:3 profit ratio. So if your TP is 90 pips, then you need to set up your SL 30 pips. That is 1:3 profit ratio. By this you can recover your 3 loss in 1 profit. The name of the pattern I have been talking about for so long is double top pattern. This was way to trade from the uptrend market. But this is exactly how you can make an entry from the downtrend market by following this strategy. If you reverse this double top pattern, you will see that it's a pattern of downtrend market and its name is double bottom pattern. And many are regularly asking the FOREX BD official team how to get Forex signal. The FOREX BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of FOREX BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. FOREX BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, FOREX BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. The pattern is that the market will go down a lot first, then it will go up and down again, then it will go up again with retest, and this pattern is called double bottom pattern because it has two bottom. It's the first bottom and this is the second bottom, and we will draw a horizontal line in this resistance zone. This is called the neckline. The entry system here is just like the double top pattern. That is, you will buy when the market makes a second top and break the neckline at the top. I say again, you will buy when the market make second bottom and then break the neckline. As soon as market break the neckline, you will make a buy order. SL and TP can be set up just like the previous rule. You can set up TP as far as the distance of the neckline from the bottom. So if the distance is 80 pips, you can set up your TP 80 pips. Or if the distance is 100 pips, you can set up your TP 100 pips. Then you can set up your SL by looking at the back point. And lastly, you should follow profit ratio 1:3. That means if your TP is 90 pips, your SL should be 30 pips. So in this way, you can recover your 3 loss in 1 profit. So viewers, I hope you can understand today's video. So for your help, let's take a look shortly in this today's strategy. So today's strategy is double top pattern strategy. This pattern is that the market will go up first, then go down a bit, then go up again, then go down again with the retest. I say again, the market will go up first and then go down a bit, then go up again with retest and go down. This point is called first top and this point is called second top. That's why this strategy's name is double top pattern, and we will draw a horizontal line in this support level. This line is called neckline. So now the question may come where the entry will be from. That's why we have to follow the neckline. In other words, you will order a sell only when the market breaks the neckline by making a second top. I am saying again, you will order a sell only when the market breaks the neckline by making second top. Now the question is how to set up SL and TP. One of the rules for setting up TP in this strategy is that you can take TP or profit as far as the distance from the neckline to second top. I say again, you can take TP or take profit as far as the distance from the neckline to the second top. Then set up SL by looking at the back point, or you can set up SL and TP by following 1:3 profit ratio. So viewers, before finishing the video, I would like to say, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So like, comment and subscribe. So be safe, be healthy, goodbye, tata.